Your kidneys don't complain loudly. They don't send sharp pain or clear warnings in the early stages. They just keep working, filtering, balancing, adjusting. And if your diet is missing the right support, they simply work harder. After 60, that quiet strain starts to matter. Most people focus on what to remove from their meals. Less salt, less processed food, more water. Those steps help, but kidney health is also about what you consistently give your body. The right vegetables can reduce internal stress, steady blood chemistry, and support the tiny filtering units inside your kidneys that work around the clock. When energy dips, when swelling lingers in the ankles, when your head feels cloudy for no clear reason, it can feel like just aging. Yet often the body is asking for better nourishment. That's where this countdown begins. We're starting with a vegetable that rarely gets attention, yet fits beautifully into a kidney-friendly routine. Number 5. Green beans. Green beans don't look impressive. They're not trendy. They're not labeled as a superfood. They're steady, dependable, and incredibly useful for aging kidneys. For anyone over 60, mineral balance becomes more important each year. Green beans are naturally modest in potassium and phosphorus, which helps prevent extra strain on kidneys that may already be slowing down. They also contain very little sodium, making them easy to include without disrupting fluid balance. But what makes them valuable isn't just what they lack. It's what they quietly provide. They deliver vitamin C, which supports the body's ability to manage inflammation. Over time, inflammation places pressure on delicate kidney tissue. Keeping it under control protects those tiny filtration units that clean your blood every minute of the day. They also contain vitamin K, which supports healthy circulation and bone strength, both of which become closely connected to kidney health as we age. Add folate to that list, a nutrient involved in cell maintenance and repair, and you begin to see why something so simple can matter so much. Then there's fiber. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Stable blood sugar reduces the burden placed on the kidneys. Balanced cholesterol supports smoother circulation. When the bloodstream runs cleaner and steadier, the kidneys can focus on filtering instead of compensating. I remember a patient in her early 70s who felt constantly puffy and drained. Her meals leaned heavily on packaged foods. Vegetables were occasional, never daily. We didn't overhaul her entire kitchen. We started small. A serving of green beans at dinner, 5 nights a week. Within a few weeks, the swelling softened. Her energy picked up. The change wasn't dramatic or flashy. It was steady. That's how kidney support works. It builds quietly. And as we continue down this list, the next vegetable might surprise you even more. It's one many people walk past in the grocery store without realizing the support it offers to aging kidneys that need consistency more than anything else. That steady, everyday protection is what we're building here. Green beans lay the foundation. Now it's time to add another layer of support. Number 4. Cabbage. As we continue strengthening your plate, let's bring in a leafy vegetable that often sits quietly in the fridge drawer. Cabbage may look plain at first glance, yet inside those tight layers is a powerful set of nutrients that aging kidneys truly appreciate. Cabbage belongs to the cruciferous family, a group of vegetables known for supporting the body's natural cleansing systems. For kidneys, that support matters deeply. These organs filter waste from the blood every minute. Anything that helps reduce internal stress makes their job smoother and more efficient. One reason cabbage fits so well into a kidney-friendly routine is its mineral balance. It stays naturally modest in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. When kidney function slows, these minerals can begin to accumulate in the bloodstream. Choosing vegetables that keep those levels steady helps maintain better balance throughout the body. A small serving of cooked cabbage delivers nourishment without overwhelming your system. Yet the real strength of cabbage shows up in its plant compounds. It contains sulforaphane and indoles, natural substances that help the body manage inflammation and oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative stress wears down delicate tissues, including the tiny filtering units inside your kidneys. By supporting the body's defense systems, cabbage contributes to long-term resilience. Those same compounds also encourage healthy blood vessel function. Your kidneys rely on strong, flexible blood vessels to deliver oxygen and nutrients. When circulation flows smoothly, filtration works more effectively. That connection between vessel health and kidney performance becomes more important with each passing decade. Cabbage also provides vitamin K, a nutrient closely tied to bone strength and proper blood clotting. Kidney health and bone health share a deep relationship. As kidney function changes, calcium balance can shift as well. Including foods that support bone integrity helps maintain stability throughout the body. Alongside vitamin K, cabbage offers vitamin C, which supports immune health and tissue repair. The lining of your urinary tract and the small structures within your kidneys benefit from steady nutritional support. Over time, that consistent nourishment helps preserve function. Fiber adds another layer of protection. Cabbage supplies a generous amount, supporting digestion and helping maintain steady blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Stable blood sugar reduces strain on the kidney filters. Balanced cholesterol supports smoother circulation. Each benefit builds on the next, creating a steady rhythm of support. If digestion feels sensitive, cooked cabbage becomes soft and easy to manage. Gentle steaming or simmering brings out its natural sweetness while keeping it light on the stomach. It blends easily into soups, stews, or simple stir-fries. Red cabbage offers additional antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which contribute to cellular protection. Green cabbage delivers similar support in a slightly milder form. Both fit beautifully into a senior-friendly kitchen. Cabbage is affordable, widely available, and stores well. That practicality makes consistency possible, and consistency is where real change happens. Meal after meal, this humble vegetable works quietly in the background, supporting your kidneys, your blood vessels, and your bones. With that leafy strength in place, let's continue building. Number 3. Carrots. From layered leaves to bright roots, the next vegetable brings color and energy to your plate. Carrots are familiar to almost everyone, yet their value for kidney health often goes unnoticed. That vibrant orange color comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. Inside the body, beta-carotene converts into vitamin A, a nutrient that helps maintain healthy epithelial tissue. This tissue forms protective linings throughout your body, including within blood vessels and the small structures inside your kidneys. Strong, well-maintained linings support efficient filtration and overall organ health. As we age, oxidative stress gradually affects cells and tissues. Antioxidants like beta-carotene help neutralize the unstable molecules that contribute to that stress. Supporting this balance allows kidney cells to function with greater stability over time. Carrots also contain vitamin C, adding another layer of antioxidant support. Together, these nutrients create a protective environment for delicate kidney tissues. The goal is steady protection, day after day. Beyond antioxidants, carrots provide soluble fiber. This type of fiber forms a gentle gel-like substance in the digestive tract, helping manage blood sugar levels and supporting healthy cholesterol. Balanced blood sugar reduces strain on kidney filters. Healthy cholesterol supports strong circulation. The connection between heart health and kidney health runs deep, and carrots support both systems at once. When it comes to mineral content, carrots fall into a moderate range for potassium. For many seniors with early-stage kidney concerns, reasonable portions fit comfortably into a balanced plan. Portion awareness remains important, especially if your healthcare provider has recommended potassium monitoring. A single medium carrot can be part of a supportive routine when eaten thoughtfully. One of the greatest strengths of carrots lies in their versatility. They can be eaten raw for a satisfying crunch, lightly steamed for softness, or roasted to bring out natural sweetness. Blended into soups, they create a smooth texture and gentle flavor. Light cooking actually enhances the body's ability to absorb beta-carotene, making warm dishes especially beneficial. Carrots are easy to store, affordable year-round, and widely accessible. That accessibility encourages regular use, and regular use creates steady nourishment. Imagine your plate now. Green beans offering mineral balance and gentle fiber. Cabbage bringing layered anti-inflammatory compounds and vessel support. Carrots adding antioxidant strength and cellular protection. Each vegetable plays a distinct role, yet together they form a unified strategy. Kidney health rarely depends on a single dramatic change. It grows from small, repeated choices. When those choices supply antioxidants, fiber, and balanced minerals, your kidneys experience less internal strain. Over months and years, that reduced strain translates into steadier function. As you move through your week, consider how these vegetables can rotate through your meals. A warm bowl of cabbage soup one evening, roasted carrots beside lean protein the next, steamed green beans finishing the plate with simplicity. These meals do more than fill you up. They nourish the systems working quietly inside you. And we're not finished yet. The next two vegetables on this list continue strengthening that internal foundation. They add new nutrients, new protective compounds, and new ways to support kidney function after 60. With each step in this countdown, your plate becomes more intentional, more supportive, and more aligned with the needs of your body today. Number 2. Cauliflower. Cauliflower often sits quietly in the produce aisle, familiar and simple. Yet for anyone focused on kidney health after 60, it deserves real attention. Its value begins with balance. A half cup of cooked cauliflower contains a modest amount of potassium and phosphorus, along with very little sodium. That balance gives your body nourishment without creating extra mineral buildup in the bloodstream. As kidney function changes with age, managing potassium and phosphorus becomes more important. When these minerals rise too high, they can affect energy levels, muscle strength, heart rhythm, and bone health. Choosing foods that stay within a steady range helps your kidneys maintain control without added pressure. Beyond mineral balance, cauliflower delivers vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber. Vitamin C supports immune strength and tissue repair. Vitamin K contributes to healthy blood clotting and bone stability. Folate plays a role in cell renewal, supporting the structures that allow your kidneys to filter efficiently. Fiber keeps digestion moving and helps stabilize blood sugar and cholesterol, both closely tied to kidney function. Cauliflower also contains natural plant compounds called glucosinolates and indoles. These substances support the body's internal cleansing systems and help manage inflammation at a cellular level. Over time, lowering inflammation protects delicate kidney tissues and supports long-term resilience. Its versatility makes it easy to include in everyday meals. Steamed florets become soft and gentle on digestion. Roasted cauliflower develops a warm, satisfying flavor. It can be blended into soups or mashed with a drizzle of olive oil and garlic for a creamy side dish. Many people enjoy using cauliflower in place of potatoes for a lighter option that still feels comforting and hearty. That flexibility encourages consistency, and consistency is where kidney protection becomes real. When a vegetable fits naturally into your routine, you're more likely to use it again and again. With cauliflower now strengthening your plate, we move to the vegetable that earns the top spot. Number 1. Broccoli. Broccoli brings everything together. It belongs to the same cruciferous family as cabbage and cauliflower, yet it carries a particularly rich combination of protective nutrients. For kidneys that have worked hard for decades, that combination matters. In moderate portions, broccoli offers a manageable amount of potassium and phosphorus, along with low sodium. That mineral profile makes it suitable for many kidney-conscious eating plans when servings are kept reasonable. As always, portion awareness keeps balance steady. What truly sets broccoli apart is a compound called sulforaphane. This natural substance activates the body's internal detox pathways. It supports both the kidneys and the liver in processing and clearing waste products. At the same time, it helps reduce oxidative stress, which gradually wears down cells and tissues. Supporting these defense systems strengthens your body's ability to protect kidney function over time. Broccoli also supplies vitamin C for immune support and connective tissue strength. Vitamin K contributes to bone stability, which becomes especially important as kidney function influences calcium balance. Its fiber content further supports healthy digestion, blood sugar control, and cholesterol balance. When those systems stay steady, your kidneys operate under less strain. Preparation plays a role in preserving these benefits. Light steaming helps maintain sulforaphane content while softening the texture for easier digestion. Roasting with a touch of olive oil and garlic brings out flavor and keeps meals satisfying. Broccoli can also be added to soups, stir-fries, or omelets for variety. With broccoli anchoring the list, you now have 5 vegetables working together. Green beans for gentle mineral balance, cabbage for layered anti-inflammatory support, carrots for antioxidant protection, cauliflower for versatile low-mineral nourishment, and broccoli for deep cellular defense. Now, let's talk about how to use them wisely. Smart ways to combine and prepare. Choosing the right vegetables sets the stage. How you prepare and rotate them determines how effectively they support your kidneys. Start with variety. Rotating vegetables through the week allows your body to receive a wider range of nutrients. One evening might include steamed green beans. Another might feature roasted carrots. A bowl of cabbage soup can follow. Then cauliflower mash or lightly steamed broccoli. This rhythm keeps meals interesting and balanced. Cooking methods matter as well. Many older adults find raw vegetables difficult to chew or digest. Gentle steaming, roasting, or simmering softens fibers and often improves nutrient availability. Light cooking makes these vegetables easier on the stomach while preserving their protective compounds. Portion awareness supports mineral balance. Even kidney-friendly vegetables contain some potassium. Keeping servings around half a cup cooked allows you to enjoy variety without overwhelming your system. Spacing servings throughout the day helps maintain steady levels. Healthy fats enhance nutrient absorption. Vitamins A and K are better absorbed when paired with a small amount of fat. A drizzle of olive oil over carrots or broccoli can increase both flavor and nutritional benefit. A few chopped nuts can serve the same purpose when used thoughtfully. Flavoring with fresh herbs and natural seasonings protects your kidneys from hidden sodium. Parsley, dill, turmeric, lemon juice, garlic, and black pepper bring depth to meals without relying on salty packets or sauces. Simple seasoning allows vegetables to shine while keeping mineral intake controlled. Preparing vegetables ahead of time makes consistency easier. Washing, chopping, and lightly cooking several servings at once reduces effort during busy days. When vegetables are ready to go, you're more likely to include them in each meal. Listening to your body remains essential. Pay attention to how you feel after eating. Energy levels, digestion, and comfort provide valuable feedback. Small adjustments in portion size or cooking method can make a noticeable difference. Kidney health grows from repeated daily decisions. It builds quietly through balanced meals and thoughtful preparation. Today, you've seen how 5 simple vegetables can support that process. Green beans bring gentle mineral balance and fiber. Cabbage offers layered protection against inflammation. Carrots strengthen cellular defenses with antioxidants. Cauliflower provides versatility and low mineral nourishment. Broccoli activates detox pathways and supports long-term resilience. Each one contributes something meaningful. Together, they form a practical, accessible plan that fits into everyday life. You don't need dramatic changes, you need steady ones. Start with a single vegetable this week. Steam broccoli and drizzle it with olive oil. Roast carrots until they turn slightly sweet. Simmer cabbage into a warm soup. Mash cauliflower for a comforting side. Toss green beans with fresh herbs. Let that first step lead to the next. Habits grow from repetition. Repetition builds momentum. Momentum strengthens your health. Your kidneys have supported you faithfully for decades. Through small, consistent choices, you can return that support one meal at a time. Stay mindful of what you place on your plate. Stay consistent in your preparation. And most of all, stay committed to giving your body the nourishment it deserves.